Hi guys, I am Pablusha and welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna be reviewing Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion. So this is a chemical exfoliator, and if you are interested to know what is chemical exfoliator and what is physical exfoliator and what's the difference between these two, then I will make another video for this topic. Now let's get started. तो पहले बात करते हैं इसके पैकेजिंग के बारे में. द पैकेजिंग इज रियली अट्रैक्टिव and adorable. It comes in purple color and it has magnetic closure that makes it really unique. Now let's move on to the ingredient part of this. It has 10% AHA, which is glycolic acid and lactic acid, and it has 2% BHA, which is salicylic acid. Now AHA is alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is beta hydroxy acid, and if you want to know in detail about this AHA and BHA, then I will make another separate video on this topic because I don't want to make this video too long. Glycolic acid is the most common AHA that is present in this product. Glycolic acid helps to treat acne scars, fine lines, wrinkles and dark spots. So it is an amazing ingredient that is present in this product. Now another ingredient that is present in this product is lactic acid, which is again an AHA. Lactic acid helps to dissolve the bond between the dead cells and thus it removes the dead cells from the skin's surface. It also speeds up cell turnover and it stimulates cell renewal. Now let's talk about the next important ingredient of this product, that is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid helps to fight acne, decreases oil secretion and also removes dead skin cells. This product contains some other amazing ingredients like white willow bark and pineapple extract, grape seed extract, fruit extract, borage flower extract and green pineapple extract. However, downside of this product is that there are some chemical preservatives that are present in this product. One of these preservatives is phenoxyethanol. I don't know if I am pronouncing it correctly. If you have sensitive skin and if you are suffering from any kind of skin allergies, then this ingredient can cause skin irritation for you. Again, there is another chemical that is MIT. The full form of this chemical MIT is really hard to pronounce, so the full name will appear in the screen. So I have done my research before making this video and I got to know that if MIT is used with another chemical that is called CMIT, then it can cause inhalation toxicity, allergies and also neurotoxicity. So this ingredient is not really good for us. Another thing that is present in this product is perfume, and we all know guys, perfume is not good for us because perfumes are made with different chemicals. So these three ingredients are the downside of this product, but otherwise there are many good ingredients present in this product that are good for our skin. Now let's talk about the texture of the product. The texture of the product is gel-like. See, the liquid inside this bottle is also light purple in color, but after applying it on your face you can't see any color. Now let's talk about the application part of this product. Before applying it direct onto your face, you should first do a patch test. I applied little bit of the product on the backside of my upper arm and I let it dry for 10 minutes. Then I wash it off with cool water. For 24 hours I did not apply anything to this part of my arm to see that if I get any allergic reaction to this product. And thus I did my patch test before applying it to my face. After doing patch test, if you don't get any burning sensation or any kind of irritation or allergy, then you can apply it onto your face. Now let's move on to the application part of this video. So for this you will need only 2 to 3 drops of the product. So now I am going to take this on my palm, and you don't need too much of product. And now what you need to do is apply it onto your face, and after applying it on your face you will not see any kind of color. So now I have applied it on my face, and I think you can't see anything because though it has some faint color, but after applying it on your face you really can't see any kind of color. Now let's come to the main part of this video, if this product is really good for you or this is just waste of money. I have been using this product for more than 1 month, and I think I can give you a really good review after using this for a long time. You can see guys how much I have already used this product. So if you are applying this product for the first time, then you can't see any drastic change on your face. This product really helped me to get rid of my some stubborn pimple marks from my face, and it also made my face much more even toned and glowy, and it also helped me to get rid of my tan from my face. Your skin will also become baby soft after using this exfoliator. But if you want to see any good result, then you have to be consistent about this product. It is mentioned that you can use this product for 2 times in a week, but I would suggest you, if you are new to chemical exfoliator, then you should first use it 1 times in a week, and if your skin get adjusted to it, then you can apply it for 2 times in a week. If your skin is really sensitive, then I think you should avoid this product or at least do a patch test before using this product. This product gives me a little tingling sensation around my mouth area and beside my nose, but otherwise this product really suits me well, and I generally use this product 2 times a week for the better result. But there are some precautions that you should maintain if you are using any kind of chemical exfoliators. One is you should apply sunscreen before stepping out from your home. Another precaution that you should maintain is that after using chemical exfoliator, you should not use vitamin C, retinol or any other face acid on the same day. After washing your face, you can apply hydrating moisturizer, but I don't feel like applying any kind of moisturizer after washing off my face, so I just skip any kind of skincare product on that particular day when I use chemical exfoliator. Now let's come to the last part of this video, and now I am going to compare this product with the ordinary AHA and BHA peel. I find that for this much of product, it is expensive and it retails for 1095 rupees. The ordinary one is the international product, but it is much more cheaper, and the ordinary one has 30% AHA and 2% BHA, and the Dot & Key one has 10% AHA and 2% BHA. So the ordinary one is much more powerful than the Dot & Key one. Dot & Key Glow Peel is good for the beginners, but if you have already used chemical exfoliators for a long time and you want to a higher concentration, then you can go for ordinary one. But the ordinary one is not for too much sensitive skin, because the ordinary one is too strong for our skin. It can cause a lot of burning sensation on your skin after applying the ordinary one. Apart from these differences, both of these products are really good for our skin. So that's it for today guys, and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do such product reviews. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now, and I will be back with another new video with another new topic.